Welcome friends. Now in this video we will be designing some of the elements of building. That element of building is staircase. Okay, normally we are having many other ways with which we can just design. If we don't know these commands, then we can design it using simple box. If you will take a box of any size, let's say this is just randomly I'm telling you, let's say one step is created of length 3 feet, width 12 inches, height 6 inches. Okay, so you can design the step as per your requirement. So if I am using this technique to create staircase, it will take so much time. Okay, so I have to turn off the snaps. As I have told in one of the previous video, you can see that how we can use these snap settings as well as these grid settings. Okay, so if I will be selecting this, what I will be doing, press and hold shift key. Now click this and join these 2 points. I will zoom in. Now I will be showing like this. So whatever the number of steps you need, let's say I need 10 steps, I will put number of copies 10 and will press OK. So automatically you can see a staircase has been designed over here, but none of the staircase can be something like this. Okay, there is a no joint in between until unless these single pieces are extruded from any wall. The RCC section has been designed from the RCC wall. Okay, so possibility can be anything, right? So this is one of the way. It's up to you how you are going to create staircase. But if we want to make things simple, what you need to do in this 3ds Max, when you are into this geometry section, under the standard primitives, you can see a list of options over here. One of the option is stairs, right? Just simply click onto that. You will this software will provide you 4 options of creating staircase. It's up to you with whatever the option you are going to use. So let's start. Whatever the type of staircase you will be making into this one, the basic settings are almost similar. So I will be showing you those basic settings. Straight stair. First of all, I will be selecting the straight stair. You will be holding and drawing whatever the direction or the line you have made onto the drawing. You have to just pick that line, okay, using snap tool, and you have to create like this, then this. I will be repeating it again. Select the staircase. Now click the left key of the mouse and hold that button, and into whatever the direction you want to make this, click, leave, then again click, leave, then again click, leave. Now a random dimensions staircase has been created over here. You can see, okay, a normal, there is no as such fixed dimension for this staircase. So I want to change some of the parameters of this staircase. So I will select the staircase and I will be clicking onto the modifier. So this one. So whenever of any object you want to change its property, like the any dimension, radius, anything, you can use this modifier. And this modifier has been selected. Now you can see into the parameters onto the very right side. There when you can see parameters. So first one is open. Now you can see side by side I will be showing you what the difference it will be making over here. Closed, it will be something like this. Box, it will be something like this. So it is entirely up to you what kind of staircase is required by you, right? under this parameter. Now before going on to the further settings, I'll be uh, changing the dimensions for this one. Let's say the length is 15 feet and the width of staircase is 4 feet. Okay, so you can use this one. Now going back to the upper section, we have done this open, close, boxed, right? Let's start with the open. So the next thing is stringers. You can use these stringers, okay, if it is required. I can use the carriage. If you don't want this thing, the stair steps are excluded from the wall, you can use select or unselect this one. Handrail, you need the handrail, you can use it in any of the direction, either left or right or in both direction. You can see, right? Now no need of the rail path right now. Now over here you can see the riser, the overall height. Okay, if I am increasing or decreasing this one, the overall height of the floor is, let's say, 10 feet. Okay, so you can change this thing, or you can change it simply by changing the riser height. It is 5 inch, so you can use it as you will change these riser height. Along with it, the overall height will get affected. So it is up to you, either you are working with the overall height of something or you are working with the riser height. It entirely depends upon you, or you can work with the riser count also if you need uh, some number of steps. Let's say, so overall height of the floor is 10 feet and the riser count I need is 13. So it will be designing those things as per the requirement. So it is up to you in whatever the way you are going to create these stairs steps. Okay, now step thickness. This thickness is this one. You can see this thickness is 2 inch. You can increase or decrease the thickness as per your own requirement. And then working with the depth, so you can see how much depth staircase you want to make. It entirely get affected with these values, right? Now carriageway, the carriage parameters, you can see what the things are not getting affected is this one. Just a minute. Right, now you will be able to see the supporter in the middle of the staircase. Whatever the support you need, the carriage you need, you can use this one, as well as you can increase or decrease the width of it. Then moving on to the railing of the staircase, how much height you need of the railing that has to be from the steps, you can see, and how much offset from here you can change. Segment means how smooth it should be. Like, we need this to be rounded, so you need to increase the segments, right? More the segments, more smoother will be this rail path. And radius, you can change the radius from here. Then stringer, no basic needs of this one right now. So these are some of the basic settings of a simple staircase, right? So whatever the type of staircase you want to make, you can make from this geometry. Then into the list, stairs. If I am going to, if I want to make spiral, let's say a different type of staircase, same procedure, click, drag, whatever the dimension, whatever the height you need, simple. In a 3-click, you will be making this entire staircase, spiral staircase. Again, I want to change dimensions of this one, first of all I will be going into the layout. In whatever the direction you counterclockwise or clockwise, it's entirely up to you. CCW and CW is clockwise, counterclockwise. You can see now whatever the radius you want to make, you can change from here, right? Revolution, how much revolution, 100% or more revolution you need. Width, right? So you can see once you start making these staircase, by changing these parameters you can play with these commands, right? And whatever the, like, to understand this thing you need to play this yourself. Okay, same commands. Overall height I want to increase. See, overall height has been increased. Now number of steps, thickness of the steps, as I have told you. Same thing, carriage, railing, how much height, center pole. Center pole is not right now here. Let's see. Yeah, the center pole option is there. Hand railing option is also there. Close box type, you can see inside railing, outside railing, right? Center pole, I need the center pole is also available. If you select this center pole, then only this option will get activated. You can change the dimension of this, segments, and its height. So it's entirely up to you. Now you can see within a fraction of minutes you can able to draw this much complex structure of the staircase. Same is with the another. Let's try one more. U type. Select, drag, like whenever you are having a plan view with it, turn on the snapping tool, then match this line with that line, and it will make the staircase as per the directions in the plan view. Now this is what has been formed. Now we will be changing the basic things. Width is 1 feet, making it 4 feet. Length 15 feet, 12 feet. See guys, I am just giving some random dimensions. Offset, you can see using this offset you can increase or decrease this gap between the staircase, right? You can understand the meaning of the offset, how much distance you need this over here. Same commands, closed box, right? Railing center, see the railing is automatically designed for this one. Step thickness you can increase. So as I am changing the dimensions on the right hand side, you can see the change on the center screen also. Depth of the steps, it's up to you, right? Same setting, parameters of the railing height, offset, segments, right? Every setting is same, so you can just try your own. So after practicing the staircase, or if any doubt still is there for making the staircase, just comment into the comment section that this thing is not clear, or if you need some other video onto this one, or some further detail is required, or on any of the modeling part, kindly message in the comment section. I will be making that video soon. So thank you everyone.